So this is the final task of the PGT. Time starts now. You can start.
Okay friends, we can first measure the distance from here to there with the help of gully and see if it is bridgeable or not.
So I will measure the distance.
Measure the distance.
Try to push it from here.
No, it's short. It's short.
No, we can tie this bully with a rope and one can go there.
It's reachable.
Yes. We can tie it. We can
It's
also
short, yeah.
we can also put this bully
short.
under this.
It will be not stable, yeah.
It's not smoother. I
No,
think
no.
we should.
We can tie this bully, no, with a rope.
Don't go for this idea. Yeah.
So I think we should tie the smaller bully.
Smaller bully.
Yeah.
Yes. So that we can use the big
More
bully.
stable. Okay, pull it back.
Hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
No, let me show you. Like if we make it like this and tie it.
So the similar thing we can do with the small bully and then we can
And
shoot
it
the big
will
bully.
not require that much efforts.
Okay.
We can use what we can do. Small one. We can tie it here. We can do
Then how will we bridge the gap?
like this. We can bridge the gap.
Yeah, we
with
can
the help
also
of this.
go from here now.
But first, I think we should check this. If it would not be smoother, then we can use that.
We can simply go from here. Yeah.
We can keep this bully on that side and then can tie. Put this bully in between.
आ जाओ. Come on.
Put this bully in between.
Please give me the plan.
Put this.
Bully in between.
Why?
But
we
plan
are
को zoom in
already
रख
tying
सकते
this.
हैं. plan को zoom in रख सकते हैं.
We will tie this and put that bully over there.
plan को zoom in नहीं रख सकते हैं.
We can keep this bully on that side and keep this bully in between.
Tie it first, please. Tie it.
Okay, okay.
We are just
Okay.
In between here.
Okay, huh.
Then we have to tie it.
What's the idea? What do you want to do?
Anyone please? Anyone climb over there and take it easy.
But only tying this bully will work, I guess.
I think tying the smaller bully will work.
we can what you want to say.
I want to say, gentlemen, we can tie this first. We
Don't
should
break
try.
You have broken the rule. Just go back.
Go back, pull it, everything.
System number 2, please back.
Pull everything back.
We can tie this, no? Wait a minute, like this way. Then we can bridge the gap, as we have seen that this one is only a little bit of short.
This will fall.
Chase number 4. We can also do one thing. We can put the bully here and shorten the distance.
Sir, we can keep bully. We can bully.
Okay, give me that.
I think we can use this approach that we can put it like this. Chase number 1.
Chase number 1.
Chase number 1, I have an idea.
No, what we
Chase number
can.
1, I have an idea. Let me show you.
Sir, this was my idea. One second.
Okay, we are having the
You are breaking the rule. Vivek, chess number 6.
we are breaking the rules. We
Chase
can't.
number 1, I have an idea and the easiest approach. Let me show you the idea. Wait a minute,
No,
let me try.
let me.
Let us try. Let us try first.
What we can do is. only
Chase
we
number
can
2,
only-
you are broken the rule. Come here.
No, that will be not stable.
Gentlemen, I have an
It's slant. It's more slant. I'll not allow you to climb in this.
Number 1, we are having an idea.
We are
Please
having-
let us
One
Wait.
implement that, please.
Chase number 1, it is not smoother. I think we should use another idea.
No, this.
And I have that idea.
No,
Let me show you.
I think this will work. This will work.
You have broken the rule. Keep it back.
This will work. This will work.
First of all, tie it. Tie it.
Tie it tightly. Make a garland first.
Small guard.
Small garland. Chase number 1, let me show you something. Can't we use this? If we will use this and we can put our leg here, so I think we can bridge the gap easily.
No, if we no, that will be more stable.
More stable with the
tie
tight
will be
edge.
more stable.
So try to make the shorter garland.
Try to make this garland.
Single, yeah.
Ali, let him go.
Okay, now place this bully.
It will be touch rope.
No,
It will be touch rope.
no, we don't have to place this plank.
Broken the rule. Bring it back.
Touch rope.
No, we don't.
Try to make the garland shorter. Yes.
It's stable.
No one.
Anyone could come.
Broken the rule. Bring it back.
No problem.
Marudha, as the height is high, so we need more distance of bully. So if we reduce,
Yes, yes,
but
we
it
can
will
do
be
that.
rusty, will be touchy.
No, no.
So
We have to make it tight. We have to tighten the rope.
Just make it somehow salt
Okay.
so that it would touch the ground and
when
our
we
work will also
when we will
satisfy.
climb on this bully and then when
No, we will provide
rope
support.
will be touched.
One can provide support from this side. Make sure
It will touch the ground.
I him a note.
Yes. Now it's fine.
You can use this now. Try to breathe.
Anyone can go on now. It will fine. Just number one go.
You're not supposed to come in this way. This is extended to the infinity.
I think I'm holding on that side. I think I can do.
Yeah, you know.
You can do.
Just number four. You can go. I take my hand. Take my. Give him his hand. Wait.
Get it back. Get it back. You have broken the rule. Get it back.
This one is right.
Do it again. Place it again.
One of you has to hold the rope tightly.
We can make it more stable by putting the plank
Wait.
for support.
Hold the rope.
Yes. Yes. Hold the rope. Hold the rope. Hold on rope. Hold on rope. Make sure you won't hurt yourself. Just a minute.
Be careful. Yes, you can go.
I catch rope. You support. Leave my support.
Give him hand, please.
Nice.
Now similarly, I think
One person can also come.
You can give support from your legs like this. पाँव से पकड़ लो, पाँव से रख लो, ऐसे रख लो, पाँव से बच जाएगा वो. अब हाथ दे सकते हो, उसके बाद हाथ यू कैन गिव द हैंड्स आफ्टर दैट. ऐसे ऐसे ही साइड से ही है. हाँ बस छोड़ दीजिए, हो जाएगा.
One person can come. Marudha can come.
चेस्ट नंबर 5 है वो, ठीक है ना.
Just number 5.
now gentlemen, what we can
Hello?
do is we can brace.
GTO चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
Now you can put this plank on the U-like structure
Right now I'm taking GTO.
above that.
Come here.
ठीक है. I'll take your class on the daytime. I'll let you know about that in advance. Okay.
Yes. Now
चलो, have a good
chest
time.
number 5 can
You
you
can go.
try to
Chest number 6, you can give him his hand.
you can give your support of your hand.
Support me. I'm going.
Okay, now I would like to go.
Now chest number 6. Chest number 6 pass the plank. I think one more can come.
Ha. I was just trying.
We are using balli over there.
Okay,
Now
now
try to bridge this gap from the balli.
with the help of Bolly, we can bridge this gap and one can.
Firstly, one can go there. One can
Also
also
pass
go
that
there.
balli.
One can
Okay,
also
one
go there.
person
Pass
can
that
also
patta.
go.
Person can also go there.
Clear this space.
You also go there. Marudha, give him hand. See. Marudha, good. Good.
Would you like to come?
Please Stay safe. Yeah.
Chest number 6.
You also go.
वेट अभी आइडिया लगवाओ आगे का, उसके बाद जाने की कोशिश करो.
Pass the
try
bully.
the bully,
One
you can-
person can pass.
Chest number 5, pass the bully to
Pass
them
the
so that
bully
they
to
can
chest number
stay there.
6.
Pass the bully.
Yeah.
We can tie the rope in order to make it stable.
You can't go in the slanted way.
We can tie.
You can't reach in this way.
Chest number 6.
You should try this idea. We can make a bridge and we can climb.
No, tie the rope. Tie the rope.
Yes, we can make the garland, I think, by using the garland approach also.
Instead of this
Once we can try with the garland approach.
Same that we have doing in previous.
What's the idea? What will you do of making after making garland?
We will try to bridge the gap. And we will try to bridge the gap.
Do it fast.
Chest number 7, you can help chest number 6 to tie the rope.
Make it more short.
Chest number 6, do it fast.
No,
Make it some short.
Make it double and tie.
It's long.
Make a single rope. Make a single tie.
That will touch the ground. That will touch the ground.
This is chest number 6. Chest number 2. You are wearing chest numbers, right? What do you want to do after this? What will happen?
Number 6.
We will try to bridge the gap.
देखो करो.
Single
Chest
tie.
number 6. Rotate the rope. Rotate the rope. The knot should be over the table.
Over the table, not make it not.
On the table, not on the table.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yeah.
Just number 7. ये ऐसे नहीं पहुंच पाएगा. एक single tie. Wait. Give me this plank. No, this plank
I
will not
think
come.
we should use chest number 5 idea of single tie.
Single tie one.
But first we should try this. If it is stable then.
Then what will happen?
I think we
Therefore, I would.
should make it a single tie.
Wait a second.
we just tie it with the pole.
Pass me the rope, I will show you. Yes. Chest number 6, pass me the rope.
What's the idea?
Make a
Similar idea but with a single rope.
Make a single rope.
We can tie it with here.
Okay, you can go in this way also. You can move. You can move in similar way.
This way.
Yes.
So we can tie it.
Don't tie it. Make it stable from your hands itself.
Chest number 6, I think.
हाथ से stable बना
You
दो.
should hold the plank and
Yes,
chest
sir.
number 5
Hmm?
So I will say just number 7
Chest
will
number
not
7
be
should
able
move
to.
and
नहीं, she will hold it. You will go.
She will hold it.
Yes.
okay, I will go. I will go, gentlemen. You can hold it.
Chest number 7, hold it tightly. Make it stable. And make sure you are not hurting yourself. Chest number 7.
Sit
Hold it tightly.
with both of the hands. Hold on. You can hold it.
Yes, chest.
No, she will be holding.
Meanwhile,
He is not here. हाँ, जाओ. गिरना मत. लगना नहीं चाहिए आपको, ठीक है ना? इसको स्टेबल बनाओ ना. कोने में रखो अच्छे से. हाथ को पकड़ो अच्छे से.
I hold
Yes,
it.
yes, trust me.
Just for sound. Wait.
Okay, be careful. Yeah, nice.
टांग को भी इसको कर लो.
Take second step.
Do it fast. Yeah.
Good. Now in this similar way, what will happen? You can also come. Right now, only first person can come over here, right? Now, what is the idea?
now try to bridge this gap.
So now we can make bridge.
With the help of bully.
No, like this. You can use the fatta. You can put it above
sir.
these two structures.
Give me that. But how will you come?
No. Hey, do it. You do it. What is the idea? Go.
You can.
Chest number 6. Chest number 6. Please stand there. Support.
Don't.
Wait. You will have to support him. See.
Put the leg in the middle of the plank.
Firstly, chest number 7. You
Chest number 6, try to put in at the one end so that it will
provide
provide
you
more
also
support.
supporting him.
Try to put it on the end. Now put your pressure on the left of your side.
Sir, it will get stable after tying with rope.
Gentlemen, you can
Try it in this way also, it will work.
Gentlemen, you can use it in this one.
Put
Try
your
to
leg
put
in
your
the
force on the
middle
left
of
side.
the plank.
6. Chest number 6.
Chest number 6. Try to put your force on the left side.
Please
Try
stand
to
on
push
the
your leg to the left side. So
Please
that
stand on Balli and. Please stand on Balli.
Try.
Stand on Balli.
You
Okay.
can do it.
Now.
But it will move.
it will
It
not.
won't.
You,
It won't.
Okay, wait.
Just
no, from this way you will fall. You try to come from that way so that because
from that direction.
Chest number 6. Wait. You can stand on the pull on the bridge.
You need support.
Oh shit. Oh. Fine.
Good.
And stand there. Stand there. Chest number 6. Wait. Chest number 6.
take it easy.
You can cross it. You can cross it.
6.
Come on, chest number 6.
Very good. Very good.
Fine. Nice show. So in the similar approach, all of you can come, right?
Yes, sir.
Good show, everyone.